In this video, we'll be talking about the difference between paid and natural search. The discipline of search engine marketing is divided into two separate but related disciplines. Search results that are free and search results that are paid for. The paid search results are Google Ads. You also have paid results on other search engines, for example Bing. The other part of search is the natural or organic search results. These are the unpaid search results. If we take a look at a search results page, we can see how these appear on the page. On this page, I've done a search for Sophie the Giraffe, which is one of my favourite toys. On this page, Google has generated a list of results it thinks are relevant to the search. So the search was Sophie the Giraffe, and it has adverts and also natural search results, which it deems to be related to that search. So if we first look at the ads, you'll notice that the ads took up most of the space above the fold being the page which is displayed before a user has to scroll. At the top we have two different types of ads. We have the shopping ad, which are ads that advertise specific products and will take the user through to a particular product on a retailer site. We have text-based ads here. Underneath we have the free or natural search results. You'll see that there are a number of different results here. So we have a website here, we have questions, we have image results, and off the bottom we've got related searches. At the top there is a number of different tabs, so we have the shopping results. At the top of the shopping results we have adverts here, and then at the bottom lower down we have the free results. You'll notice here again that the ads get better placement. There's image results based on the same search results. Again at the top there are adverts and then natural search results lower down. News results, videos, these will mainly be taken from YouTube but other sites as well. And there are also other things such as map. If you're a local business, then local search is important. So as you can see, the best placements on the page are given over to adverts, and the user will have to scroll down to see the natural search results. So let's now look at natural search and paid search in a bit more detail. Firstly, natural search. This is the free or the unpaid search results, also referred to as organic search. The ranking of these search results is based on Google's perception of the relevance of a page to the user search. This is based on hundreds of different ranking factors. For example, it will look at the content of the page, it will look at the incoming links on the page, and it will also look at how much that link has been clicked in the search results in the past. As we saw on the Google search result page, there are many different search formats, for example, text, image, news, and shopping. Google Ads is a paid search system where you pay for placement in the search results. The ads appear at various pages on the page, typically the top, the side, and the bottom of the results. Most of these ads are on a pay-per-click basis, so you don't pay for the ad being displayed, you only pay when it's clicked. The order of the ads is based on how much you're willing to pay and also the performance of the ad. So if Google deems the ad to be relevant to a particular search query, it will display that ad at a higher placement at a lower cost. Google Ads appear on Google's search page, but also on the wider internet. So for example, on other Google properties such as YouTube, but also other sites that are signed up to Google's advertising network. Both paid and natural search have pros and cons. First, let's look at natural search. Obviously, the big advantage of natural search is it's free. However, it's also not free because you have to put in a lot of time and effort to get good placements. Natural search results are more trusted by consumers than the paid search results. Getting a good placement has long-term benefits. You have to expend a lot of effort to get good placements, but then once you have them, you will probably keep them for a certain period of time and it'll be a gift that keeps on giving. However, getting good placements is very time-consuming and you'll probably have to employ people or put a lot of time into yourself. The results are uncertain and they do take quite a long time to achieve. As you've seen from the search page, over the years natural search results have been getting less exposure at the expense of paid search results. Like everything online, it's very competitive. It is also hard to optimize for all the terms which are relevant to your products. On the other hand, paid search is very quick to set up. You can quickly set up a campaign and start getting traffic within a few hours. Paid search results get higher placement than organic search results. They're also extremely targeted. You advertise typically on keywords and you can target people when they're in the researching or buying mode of the customer journey. You can also reach a broad audience. You specify your targets or your keywords and you can specify thousands of these and reach a very broad audience. On the other side, paid search is very costly. The cost per click can range from a few pence up to tens of pounds for very, very competitive terms. It can be quite complex to set up campaigns and again, it is very competitive. So what should be your strategy regarding natural and paid search? Businesses should aim for a healthy split between natural and paid search traffic. For some businesses, this is about 50% of each. Natural search is good for targeting broad terms, for example, brands, and also category titles. So, for example, toys, wooden toys, which are expensive if you're buying them during paid search. Paid search is good for long-tail terms, which are difficult to optimize using natural search. Natural search is time-consuming, so it is only possible to optimize a site for a relatively small number of terms. However, searchers will be using thousands and thousands of different search terms to find your site. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.